Hi, I'm Donna Rutherford, and I'm going to show you how to quickly set up a new DNA kit on your profile. So this is for people who want to set up a DNA kit for somebody who doesn't have access to technology and is maybe doing a DNA test because you've asked. Now, it's really important that everyone who does a DNA test must have their own Ancestry account, and that's important for informed consent. So when you're talking someone through doing a DNA test for you, you should be explaining to them that there could be some surprises by them doing a DNA test, and you need to explain to them how the site is looking after their DNA, that they're still the owner of their DNA, and so on. So everyone who has a DNA test must have their own Ancestry account. Now, minors can go onto the parents' account, but for everybody else, they do need to have their own account. But you might be setting this up for somebody else because they don't have access to technology. So what you do is you set up a free account for them. Now, this is not a free trial, it's actually a free account, a free registered guest account. And here's the link to the Ancestry page where you can go. It will explain the free registered guest accounts for you, and you can create the free account from there. Now, to sign up to the new free account, you just need an email address, and it should be the email address of the kit owner. But if you're doing this for someone who doesn't have technology and isn't wanting to set it up themselves, you can create a new email address at Gmail. But you must not use your own email address. This should be a different email address than the one you use, because every Ancestry account needs to have a different email address. So you set it all up with their name, that new email address you've created for them, or their email address. Give them a password for this free Ancestry account and click Create Account. Now, the next thing you need to do is activate the DNA test on this account. Again, Ancestry have a great help site for this, great support site. They also have a movie you can watch about activating a kit. If you know how to activate a kit, you go ahead and activate it on this free account. This little movie will also explain about setting up this access, setting up the free account. Now, the next thing you want to do, you've set it up, you've activated the account, you want to assign a manager to this kit. You want to assign yourself as manager because you're going to be doing all the work on it. So again, Ancestry have another article about how to assign a manager to an Ancestry DNA test. But it's quite easy. Once you've activated the account, stay on that free account and look for the DNA settings button. So it will be available as soon as you've activated the kit. You'll be able to go to the settings, click the settings button. The settings button will take you to the settings page. And about halfway down the page, you'll find the settings for sharing preferences. Now, you do not need to wait until the test is processed or anything. You can do this as soon as you've activated the test, so even before you do the spitting. Now, you're looking in the sharing preferences for DNA, ethnicity, and matches, and you want to click on Change. Now, once you've clicked on Change, it will take you to the page where you can put in some new viewers, collaborators, or managers, and you will see that the person you've just set this up for is there as owner. Now, this particular one I'm showing you, there's already a collaborator on this kit, but I'm going to add myself, and I want to give myself manager access. So set it all up, add my email address, and click Send Invitation. Now, I can close down that free account. I don't need to use that. Go away, make a cup of tea, and I should receive an Ancestry email. And the Ancestry email will tell me that I'm invited to view this person's Ancestry DNA result. And so it will send you all the information, and you just need to click a Review Invitation. That will take you to your own account, and it will open up for you to log in. You probably will have to log in, and now you can see that person's DNA result on your account. Now, if you want to find it again, all you'll see now on your account, you've got a new button that's got View Another Test. When you click on that button, you'll see a list of all the kits that you've got access to, whether it be viewer, collaborator, or manager. And now that kit is sitting there. If it hasn't even been sent, or if it is in process of getting to the lab, you'll see the process bar rather than the results, of course, and you'll be able to manage all the process of that kit through the processing stages from your own account. So that's how to do it. Set up a free account, create a new email address for the kit, for them to sign up to this new free account, activate the kit on the new free account, open the settings tab on the free account, go down to the sharing area, give your email address manager access. You'll get an invite in your email and you can accept that invite, and you will now be able to view that other test from your own account. It is simple. Thank you for listening. I hope that's made it easy for you. Here's all my socials to get hold of me. Thanks. Maybe I'll do some more DNA bite-sized pieces of information for you. Thank you for listening.